What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are servicing all these units up here on this roof, on this building, and a building across the street. So I wanted to make a couple people have posted comments saying, you know, how after 20 years of doing this work, it's taking a toll on their body. And it's really unfortunate. And I just wanted to make a video of the importance of wearing a good hat, wearing good dark glasses. I wear these sleeves that are UV rated and they breathe really well, and a mesh and polyester type of shirts, okay, because they let air flow through a lot better. So I know that a lot of people don't want to wear I'm going to use you, Dylan, here as an example real quick. A lot of people don't like to wear these shirts, and I get it, because when it gets really hot, these don't breathe very well. They absorb cotton well, but they don't breathe well. You get really, really hot and really, really sweaty. So he's wearing the new guy outfit, but later on, you've got to wear this mesh type of shirts and this mesh type of sleeves so you can let some air come in through here, okay? You guys got to take care of yourself. And a lot of people talk about skin cancer, and that's really horrible, and I think it can be reduced, but we need to do, you know, what we need to do. Wear good boots. If you're comfortable, wear some gloves, and wear knee pads, or carry one of these pads with you that allow you to kneel and, you know, do what you got to do. You know, yeah, it's more work, but it's better than having a knee replacement or something, right? So I just wanted to make a quick video because I thought it was important. I've been thinking about it for a while. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.